Hey guys, what's up? This is Shrija here. So today I'm gonna try this amazing Pillsbury Rich Choco oven cake. I love Pillsbury's cake. I have tried many more before. So let's try these nice Rich Choco oven cake. So it says free 2 Pillsbury Choco cookie cakes are here in this box free, but I already ate that. That are also so amazing. And during this only you will need some water and some vegetable oil. So in here, let's see what is this. So this is only a cake mix. So you have to just mix it all this stuff. So let's get right into the video and let's make this amazing rich cake, chocolate cake. So let's get started.
So first of all, we are going to need a bowl and a spatula and our chocolate cake mix. So first we will add our chocolate cake mix in the bowl. So here we go. Now I have added the chocolate cake mix, and now we have to add 1 cup of water and 1/4 cup of water in it. So first I have added 1 cup of water and I will mix it, as I don't need my batter to be watery. So I think it is too much thick, so I'm gonna add 1/4 cup also, and now mix it. To mix the batter with spatula is so easy. So now we are gonna add some melted butter, 1 cup of melted butter, and then mix it. So our chocolate cake batter is now ready. So now let's get to the process of baking. It's so fluffy and looking so much yummy. So I have taken the cake container in which we're going to bake the cake. So before you put the container, you should first grease it with butter or oil, and make sure to grease from all the sides. And now I'm gonna add the cake batter, chocolate cake batter in it. And you should tap it before you keep it in the oven to make the cake batter even from all the sides. So it's now ready. And now before you put the cake in the oven, you should first preheat the oven at 140 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now I have preheated the oven. Now you should put the cake in the oven and set the timer for about 30 to 35 minutes. So here we go. And my cake is ready. To check it that whether it is baked or not, you should first take a toothpick and put it in, and so if it comes out clean, it is surely baked. And cut the edges with a knife so it will come out easily from the container. So my cake came out so easily. So our cake is ready. Yum, it's looking so yummy. And now I'm gonna cut it. You can decorate with some cream, sprinkles, chocolates, So here we go. It's so spongy. Wow, I'm gonna eat it. Yummy. You must try this. I'm so happy that I tried this Pillsbury Rich Choco one cake. And also try other types of Pillsbury products. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.